કેમ છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો? આજે આ વિડીયોમાં આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10થના ઇંગ્લિશ સબ્જેક્ટના ધ હ્યુમન રોબોટ્સમાં કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન જોવાના છીએ. સૌપ્રથમ આપેલું છે મેક અ લિસ્ટ ઓફ એક્ટિવિટીઝ ઓર વર્ક ડન બાય ધ રોબોટ ઓન પ્રેમ ચોપરાઝ કમાન્ડ. 1 ઇઝ ડન ફોર યુ. પ્રેમ ચોપરાના આદેશ પ્રમાણે રોબોટે જે કાર્યો કર્યા હતા તે લખવાના છે. તો અહીંયા સેમ્પલ આપેલું છે. કલેક્ટેડ groceries into the trolley. ત્યારબાદ તો selected the best mangoes, paid at the cash counter, stole a necklace from Gopal Jewelers, stole expensive antiques, ornaments and precious stones, stole a bunch of expensive Afghani grapes, stole precious gems from Jhaveri Brothers. સેકન્ડ આપેલું છે ટિક માર્ક ધ મોસ્ટ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ ઓપ્શન. સૌથી યોગ્ય ઓપ્શન સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે વોટ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ રોબોટ્સ આર નોટ મેડ બાય ધ સુપર રોબોટ પ્લાઝા. તો આપણો આન્સર થશે હેલ્પિંગ ઇન રોબરી. સેકન્ડ છે વોટ વિલ રામસિંગ ડુ એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ રોબોટિક્સ. રોબોટિક્સ મુજબ રામસિંગે શું કર્યું? તો આન્સર થશે ફોલો ધ કમાન્ડ. થર્ડ છે પ્રેમ ચોપરા વોઝ અરેસ્ટેડ બીકોઝ. પ્રેમ ચોપરાની ધરપકડ થઈ કારણ કે હી વોઝ ધ ઓનર ઓફ ધ રોબોટ. તે ચોરી કરનાર રોબોટનો માલિક હતો. ફોર્થ વિચ ઓફ ધ ફોલોઈંગ ઇઝ નોટ ટ્રુ. નીચેનામાંથી કયું સાચું નથી? તો આન્સર થશે બી પ્રેમ ચોપરા ડઝ નોટ હાર્મ પીપલ. થર્ડ આપેલું છે તો તેમાં આપણે ધેટ્સ ગ્રેટ, well done, very bad, how bad, oh it's a shame, that's wonderful, how surprising, really amazing આવા રિસ્પોન્સ આપવાના છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ આપેલું છે ધ સિલ્વર રોબોટ સેડ વેલકમ ટુ સુપર રોબોટ પ્લાઝા સર, રિયલી અમેઝિંગ. સેકન્ડ છે that metallic blue robot is perfectly programmed to carry out all kinds of household function. તો ત્યાં આપણું એક્સપ્રેશન થશે that's wonderful. થર્ડ છે it operates within the radius of a kilometer. That's a great. ફોર્થ છે Ramsing 070 carried out his work with tremendous speed and accuracy. Really amazing. Fifth, the robot paid the bill at the cash counter. Well done. Ramsing 070 picked up a necklace and hid it in the storage unit. Oh, it's a shame. The computerized cameras capable of split-second recording clicked Ramsing in the act of stealing. Well done. Eighth, Prem Chopra refused all the allegations put on him. Very bad. Robots will never cause harm to human being. That's great. Prem Chopra pleaded guilty. Well done. Fourth આપેલું છે કે read the text carefully and find out the sentences having similar meaning to these sentences. Write the number of this sentence in the margin of near the similar sentence in the read. હવે અહીંયા આપણે વાક્ય આપ્યું છે તેના જેવું વાક્ય પાઠમાંથી શોધીને લખવાનું છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે there were a number of metallic, silver, electric blue and green robots in the right corner. The right corner appeared to be crowded with robots in metallic silver, electric blue and green. Second છે Prem Chopra ordered the robot to buy 2 kilograms of ripe, juicy mangoes from a huge pile. તો તેને રિલેટેડ સેન્ટેન્સ થશે 2 kilograms of mangoes ripe and juicy commanded Prem Chopra from a distance seeing a huge pile of mangoes. Third આપેલું છે with the help of remote control, Prem Chopra asked the robot to steal and hide a necklace. Quickly, Prem Chopra disappeared around the corner and spoke into the remote control softly and clearly. Pick up a necklace and hide. Fourth છે the master warned the robot to defuse his system if he disclosed any fact. No noise, information not to be revealed. Top secret. Otherwise, I will defuse your system, he threatened. ફિફ્થ આપેલું છે Counsel Goel pleaded with the court to summon Ramsing 070 to the court. The sentence થશે I request Ramsing Robert to be called in the court. Sixth, the court was full of people who were very eager to see a robot in the witness box. The sentence થશે the next day, the court was overcrowded with people keen to watch a robot in the witness box. Seventh, Prem Chopra was confident that his servant would never break his faith in him. Never would this machine man betray his master. Eighth છે the robot always obeys the master. Robots do not disobey masters. Fifth આપેલું છે rewrite the passage replacing the underlined word with the those given in the brackets. અહીંયા બ્રેકેટ્સમાં જે વર્ડ્સ આપ્યા છે તેનો ઉપયોગ કરીને અંડરલાઇન કરેલા વર્ડ આપણે ચેન્જ કરવાના છે તો એ થશે in the market robots carrying heavy packets buying tickets taking groceries to the cars were a common sight but still strange and amusing servant. Ramsing 070 was thoroughly efficient. With tremendous speed and accuracy, he collected groceries into shopping trolley and paused for the next command. 2 kilograms of mango, ripe and juicy. Commanded Prem Chopra from a distance, seeing a huge pile of mangoes. In no time, Ramsing 070 had selected the best ones. Answer the questions. First છે what kind of robots are made by Super Plaza? Super Plaza makes robots for industries, construction companies, plumbing and cleaning, caretakers and for home. Second છે who greeted Prem Chopra at the hall? A robot greeted Prem Chopra at the hall. Third, what did salesman check before giving the robot to the customer? Answer થશે the salesman checked the gait, grip, movement and some programmed functions of the robot. Fourth છે which principles govern Ramsing's behavior? Ramsing's behavior was governed by three principles. The robot will obey his master, the robot will not harm humans, and the robot will not take harm to self. Fifth question છે what instructions were given to the robot for picking up the necklace? The instructions given to the robot for picking up a necklace were pick up a necklace and hide. No noise, information not to be revealed, top secret, otherwise I will defuse your system. Sixth question છે what did Prem Chopra think after buying the robot? તો આન્સર થશે after buying the robot Prem Chopra thought that if his robot could shop for groceries then why not for better things like jewels? Seventh છે why was Prem Chopra given bail? Prem Chopra was given bail till the court hearing because none of the stolen articles were recovered from him. Eighth, why was Prem Chopra confident when Ramsing was called to the court? Prem Chopra was confident when Ramsing was called to the court because he would always obey his master. Ninth છે what did Ramsing do with himself at last? At last, Ramsing broke apart rather than tell a lie, hurt humans or become unfaithful. Write short note on Ramsing 070 the human robot. Ramsing was metallic blue robot. He was perfectly programmed to function in the household, cleaning, arranging, collecting groceries from the supermarket, tending the lawn, mailing letters, relating TV programs, selecting news from the paper. He had inbuilt system for three principles. The robot will obey his master, the robot will not harm humans, and the robot will not take harm to self. Second છે the conflict of Ramsing 070 with itself. Ram Singh had an inbuilt system of three principles. The robot will obey his master, the robot will not harm humans, and the robot will not take harm to self. When he was produced in the court, his master Prem Chopra was confident that the robot would never disobey him. He had threatened Ram Singh that he would defuse him if he revealed any information about stolen goods. Thus, Ram Singh was in conflict. If he revealed information, he would disobey his master, and if he did not, he would harm many other people. This conflict brought Ram Singh's end. He chose to break apart rather than tell a lie, hurt human beings, or become unfaithful. અન્ય વિડીયોની અપડેટ મળતી રહે એટલા માટે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરશો. થેન્ક યુ.